Good evening, folks. Here you go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Original navy blue from factory from the city of Long Beach, California. So this bad boy has no rust on her whatsoever. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. And yes, she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Once again, folks, original navy blue from factory. So the vehicle does have scratches. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing her back to life and got rid of a lot of the little surface scratches, but some of them remain behind. Folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, and once again, it doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and she is road ready. Vehicle came with a dark window tint from the department all around. Dark window tint from the department. Folks, let me not forget here, I do have one little door ding down here. It looks like maybe something hit it right here on the bottom on the door. I don't know, it kind of looks like maybe a tire or something probably hit it. That's right there. I'm gonna see if I can get me some touch-up paint and see if I can cover that up. A little chip right there, maybe from the same incident. Vehicle does have some scratches. Some of the scratches didn't come out of the vehicle, but they are there, okay? But once again, nothing major to worry about. I do have one hole on the trunk lid where that actual antenna is. Gorgeous looking vehicle. All right, folks, the antenna, this is the actual antenna, but it's just here for looks. It's not going anywhere, so if you need to take the car to an express car wash, the antenna will be in place and it's not gonna fly out. Folks, I do have a little bit of sun damage on the trunk, the roof, and the hood. You can see this tiny little white cracks. Let me clean this up here real quick. There you go. These little tiny white cracks on the roof, the trunk, and the hood. They are there, so I got to tell you what I'm seeing here through the lens. Folks, once again, they are here, okay? You can kind of see them. It's not a lot. It's not a whole bunch. I've seen worse, but they are there. Just want to make sure you know. I do have some scuff marks on the rear bumper. Once again, scuff marks on the rear bumper. You can see the paint here is kind of like something pushed it in and then just brought it back out. So there it is. It's not peeling or cracking or anything like that. It's not peeling at all, so the paint is staying in place. Let me hurry up because the clock is ticking and I got a lot of ground to cover here. Folks, before I forget, all 4 steel wheels have been reconditioned, repainted, and back to new original conditions. The vehicle came with the full wheel covers, the big 17-inch wheel covers. However, they were damaged and I didn't see sense in using those again, so I went ahead and reconditioned all 4 steel wheels and also gave you a good new use set of those dog dishes, those center caps. All right, the vehicle does look very, very nice the way it is, and I actually like the way she looks, to be honest. No signs of any spotlights ever being installed in the vehicle. Once again, this was a detective unit from the city of Long Beach, not a regular patrol vehicle. Folks, also before I forget, I did get you a new set of OEM headlamps. The ones that came with the car, there was no way I was gonna keep those on there. They were yellowish and very oxidated, so guess what? I went to Ford, Gap in Ford, and I got you a set of new original equipment headlamps. That's the Ford right there, original, folks, no joke. All right, let's go inside real quick and show you what I got to work with in here. Wow, folks, look at those steel wheels, folks. Man, do they not look new? I forgot about the tires, but I get to that. Let me not lose track over here. Folks, as you can see, I do have a super nice matching interior with all seat belts and buckles are in place, carpeting floor with 4 matching factory floor mats. Rear door locks and switches are in place. So if you have any passengers sitting in the rear seat, they'll be able to get out of the car with no issues whatsoever. So there it is. This is gonna be electric seating, and it is gonna be also a Charlie 6 rear axle, which is gonna be at 355 gears on that differential. Folks, as you can see, I do have 3 keys that came with the vehicle. I do have a brand new aftermarket center console that goes great with the vehicle. Perfect driver's side seat, perfect passenger side seat. Let's get inside real quick because the clock is ticking. Folks, I do have a perfect dash, no holes on it whatsoever. Factory AM FM CD player, super cold air conditioner, and I do have a new used Astra assembly right down here. When I first got the vehicle, there was nothing in there, because that's usually where they installed their siren module. So yes, new used Astra assembly, complete assembly. Honk works, working cruise control. This switch right here is a switch, it's not an knob, it's being cut from behind. Okay, let's go ahead and fire her up because the clock is ticking once again. 3 keys. 3 keys, let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights are off. Vehicle does show 72,000 miles. However, let's round it up to 73 because I will continue to drive this car. So there it goes. Pressure lights are off. So far, 25 miles. Inaccurate. The vehicle had the trip odometer has been reset after the vehicle was serviced, just so that I can keep better track of things. 408 idle hours. Stereo works. I do not own the rights to the song. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Red LED, white LED, map lights do work. Okay, folks, also before I forget, I must tell you that the odometer in this particular vehicle, when the vehicle arrived, it was damaged. The mileage kept coming on and off, and you know what that means. So I had to take the whole cluster out and send this bad boy to get rebuilt without losing any data. So everything stayed in place, but I did have it rebuilt so that the mileage are readable and it's not dark. Okay, so I did that for you guys. And let me tell you, that is not a cheap job and or repair. Look at the carpet, folks. Nice carpet, no tears, no nothing. Once again, detect the unit. Long Beach unit 17633. Once again, Long Beach unit 17633. Folks, in the trunk, you're gonna see that I am missing the spare tire. Yes, that is correct. The vehicle didn't come with a spare tire. However, I did order another one. It's already here. I just need to go pick it up. So you're gonna get a full matching spare tire and wheel with a hold down pen and floor jack, which value about $300 nowadays with everything going up. So don't worry, the spare tire kit will be in the trunk. Okay, don't worry, I got this, folks. I got it. The paint looks great, even though it has scratches, folks. So if you can see past the scratches, you got yourself a great running vehicle in near perfect condition. The grill looks good too, nice and black. All right, let's hurry up because I got 2 minutes left. Oh my goodness, this is where I start struggling. All right, folks, as you can see, the engine bay, the whole car has been fully detailed. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning this bad boy up and bringing it back to life. $300 plus tip did the job. All right, let's go. Right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Full synthetic 520 oil change service. 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, along with a brand new OEM intake manifold. Brand new intake manifold, folks. The one that came with the car, folks, it was actually leaking right from there, and I couldn't get that taken care of for fix, so I had to get it done. Transmission was serviced, Motorcraft American 5, fluid and filter was done, air conditioner nice and cold. Brand new battery from the department. Let's go ahead and lift this up here. Also, the drive belt tensioner appeared to be in good conditions. And you can see that the car is smoking a little bit, and that's because I always like to get in between the radiator and the condenser, and I like to clean out all the dust bunnies. Why? Because the car breathe better without it. There you go. Sorry about that, folks. Let me go ahead and put it back. The radiator support, it's in place. I do have the fasteners for it, so don't worry, everything will be in place. Let me come here real quick and get rid of the steam. Fan shroud assembly, that appears to be in new condition for that department, folks. Okay, fan shroud assembly appears to be in new condition for that department. Brakes all around, they're about 70%, so I went ahead and left those alone. The vehicle did come equipped with the blue silicone fail-safe radiator hoses as well. Once again, folks, vehicle has been fully serviced, doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. And before I forget, I did give you a brand new set of takeoffs, Goodyear RSA Eagles. These are getting harder to find, and my supplier went up to $600 for a set of 4 mounted and balanced. So there you go, folks, you got a new set of rubber as well. Goodyear Eagles RSA 235 55 17. Vehicle has been completely serviced, doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. I'm glad I caught the intake manifold myself, so I took care of that as well. Folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I gotta go, and once again, I ran out of time.